Okay, so today, guys, we will be exploring the new map. Yeah, I accidentally hit the photo button, but me and my friend I just found, we are going to be getting crystals, and this is my first time. I'm kind of late for the update. This is my first time down here, bro. I can already see the new mob. It's actually kind of spooky. Yo, you can get out of the map over here.
We can?
Yeah, look.
Oh gosh, this looks weird.
Yo, are we at the map?
Oh, did we just...
Oh shoot, I'm back on the map. I hear the animals. I'm going for crystals, okay?
Okay, I'm back in. Run! Where are you?
I ran for my life.
Do you see the gray little tunnel?
Gray little tunnel. What? I hear you.
Look
Bro,
above
did you see me run for my life?
The gray tunnel. Yeah, I saw you. Both ran for the boat. Where does that lead to?
That's where you first start. That's like how you get in this map. If you take the scary way.
Take the long
Okay,
way.
let's go.
We went the shortcut. Okay.
Go on the edges until we find some crystals to be mining. Why is it so dark? I'm here.
Watch out, the lava's rising.
Oh shoot. The lava can rise! I fell on the map.
We have to make What?
There's so many glitch spots over here. I just fell out of the map, bro.
Come on, let's go.
I'm lagging, bro.
I see some crystals. Should I go for them?
Yo, I see him too, but there's a whole ton of those fish guys.
Okay, hide. You can hide the. You can hide behind the poles. Okay.
I see a lot. Where are you?
I'm getting some crystals.
Watch out! Oh, they're everywhere.
I ain't go back. I ain't go back in my picture.
They're freaking baby anglerfish. Stay low. I set my pickaxe by yours. Take one and yearn for the mines, bro. Start yearning for the mines right now. Try to get full bag.
I'm gonna try.
How many you got?
Haven't been counting.
I would say about a full bag for me.
I'm close to a full bag. I need like 2 or 3 more. Oh, I keep dropping my backpack. Putting you because my backpack always just falls off. Okay, let me grab some.
I kind of dropped my grappler. Alright, I got it. This is such a crazy journey, viewers.
I know. Guys, everybody make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, my YouTube channel name is Sigma, if you want to subscribe. I have 0 subscribers. I just made the channel today. If you want to subscribe, you can. You don't have to, though.
Yeah, I will. I will. Hey, can I borrow you?
Yeah, you can borrow it.
I think this is my last one.
Yeah, I might head out with the amount I have. I won't get too heavy to where we
I'm gonna head out
die.
with this last one.
Okay, grab that one and then head out. Okay, viewers, we are going to be on our way out right now. Don't worry, viewers, we will sell it. There's a lot of these fish, bro. Guarding the exit. You have to get to a heart. I'm running for my life, bro. I'm making it.
I'm making a run for it.
Yo, me too. I made it! We made it!
Let's get over here real quick.
We made it, bro.
Yo!
I promise I am. Well,
How much
after
did
this,
you-
I have to go. So.
Okay, don't worry. The video's
Well,
over
get on
soon.
you. Okay.
Okay.
Bo, I can barely walk. Also,
Yo,
I
look
got
at
your
me.
pickaxe. I got your pickaxe.
Okay, wait. Let me dump mine in first. Not the heart.
Let me dump whatever I got. Yeah.
Here, I got you. I pulled it out. I got you. Okay. So,
Wait.
more? How much more?
Oh,
Here.
no more.
Yo, there's one right here. Okay, sell it. Moment of truth. How much money are we making from this?
How much money?
Yo!
Dang!
Yo, you might
Guys,
do that.
if you're gonna go grinding, I suggest you do that. Well,
Yeah.
that shit's OP. You get like, for a full bag, you get like 20K. I mean, we didn't get a-
15,000. We just got 15,000. Whoop.
So each of them are worth like almost 1,000.
Yeah. So guys, today you wanna like or subscribe, but put in the comments what you think this is. I have no idea. I guess he just gave it to me.
Guys, comment down below if we should sell it, if we should search up what to do with it. I
Yeah.
don't know, but just
Yo,
make
wait,
sure
we
to
should
like
try.
and subscribe.
We should try eating it.
What? Wait, I see something in it. Look inside of it.
Oh my gosh.
Like
Why
there's
eat it?
There's like a cake or something.
Wait,
Wait, can we take the lid off?
you can't. Pick it up and try to eat it.
You can eat it. Wait.
Wait, that
You
means
wanna eat
there's
it?
still. No, you eat it and then let's go over there and let's go in forest and see if we can kill ogre and see if we get one. Eat it.
Okay.
Eat it.
Well, I gotta go. Here, you eat it. You need views.
Okay,
I gotta
guys.
go. I'll see you guys in the next one. Eat it quickly.
Whoa!
What
no,
happened?
you have to see this.
Okay.
We have to go get one really quick.
Well, I gotta go. Bye.
Well, bye.
I'll join you later. Bye.
Bye.
grappler.
Can someone give me a
You
grappler?
little racist white boy.
Trading a
I'm about to
grappler.
think about it.
Hey, dude, what do you do with the diamond pickaxe?
What do you want? Are you here? Mons? I'm here for free cosmetics.
Yeah, I died in the forest because
Where's
what is
everybody that was going to Haunted
Um,
Mansions with me?
Oh.
I
don't
think
know,
they died probably.
I'm not exactly sure. But I was in sewers. Wait, did you say mines? No, I was in the forest. I was in sewers. Definitely not the same person. Well, I'm gonna go unlock the revolver if you want one.
Hey, I got a question. How do you get the rope down?
Oh, follow me. You gotta unlock it from the research area or bed. Yeah, you gotta unlock it from the research area. It's out now. Like right.
Ogre, we come
Man, I
in
ain't seeing
peace.
nobody in the tech tree.
Oh, viewers, so I kind of forgot I was still filming, but see,